So by now, I'm sure you've seen this video.
Like he had one hand on the, what the, oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Ah! Ah! Oh my god, what did he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh shit, I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Oh my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
This video right here was a reminder that I need to get a dash cam. So I was on Twitter and that's where I first saw this, and I was like, oh my gosh, this was a horrible situation. Then yesterday I saw it on the news, so it's making its rounds. So in the comments underneath one of the posts, someone had mentioned the exact, well, they said that the lady in the video said what camera she was actually using. And so I went ahead and went straight to Amazon and I put that sucker in my cart, or I favorited it. So I actually went ahead and ordered it, and so I'm going to do an unboxing to see what's in it, and hopefully I'll get it installed today. I kind of hesitate on the installation. We'll see. The reason why I'm kind of hesitant is because we've been thinking about getting a newer vehicle, and I'm thinking if I put this in there, I guess I could just easily take it out. So here we go. Alrighty, here is the product right here. The VIOFO dash cam. So it has a front and a rear cam, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this, see what it is all about, and try to get this thing installed today. I ended up doing a shorter route. Well, I took my route and then I ended up not doing apps afterwards so that I can go ahead and get this camera installed. Oh, I do want to mention I am going to be adding this to my favorites list, so it will be in the link tree, so that you can check it out if you want to. At the time of the recording, I do not have any sort of affiliate links, but this is just something that I'm going to be adding to my favorites list. All right, so took off the outer sleeve, and hopefully my setup is okay. I'm trying to do this from my kitchen here. So let's take this box out of here. Nice sturdy box that might find itself being used for something else. All right, comes with a wiring setup, so that definitely is going to be useful. Let me keep that out. Here is the actual camera. Nice. All right. Put your micro SD. Now they recommend that you use a commercial grade SD card. Let's see, we got some sort of input here. The camera. And then we have your adhesive to attach to the windshield. What else do we have in here? This is the rear cam. All right, again, got the adhesive going on. Let me take this out of here. All right. So it looks like we have some extra stickers and some installation instructions. user manual. What's down here? Now we have some different tools. I guess that's to install your cords. Looks like some sort of USB cord. I guess this is to the rear. I'll find out. And another, it's like power cord. All right, so that's everything that comes in the kit. All right, so I'll come back when I start to get this thing installed or once I already have it completed. All right. So I have installed and have been using my dash cam for a few days now, so I can kind of give you just a little bit of glimpse into its use. So let me show you. I am having some, here it is. It's actually on right now. Sorry about the camera, but it is the cam that I show you. I'll show you again if I forget to put it. But if you've seen the video that's been going around of the lady who is driving along and then this car just comes and backs into her car and they get out and they're recording like she hit them and all that. So if you've seen that video, that was what really kicked me in the behind to get this dash cam. And if you saw my post, my community post, I accidentally bought two, which is a whole mess. I was able to send that back and get a refund. Well, the refund is being processed, so my refund is on the way. So I have been using this dash cam for a couple of days. I haven't yet taken out the SD card to see what the footage looks like. But I have been trying, just using it and trying to become familiar with the functions. There is like a voice command that you can use. I think you have to have the mic on all the time, but I will figure that out. So right now I have been trying to just make sure that it stays on, because I have noticed a couple of times, when you're making deliveries, you're in and out of your car quite often. And I don't know how you guys do it, but I always turn my car off, take my key with me when I'm making these deliveries, get back into my car and turn my car back on. So what I have noticed with this dash cam is that it doesn't always come back on. So I have to manually turn the camera on. So that's happened several times yesterday during my route, where I noticed that once I got back in my car, that it wasn't actually recording anything. So I was like, yeah, that's going to be an issue. So I was thinking maybe I need to figure out a way to keep my car running by having maybe two sets of keys with me, so that I can keep the car running, but then also lock my car. I don't know. I'm going to problem solve around that. There is another option where you can hardwire your system to your car's power. So that way it will have like the access to power at all times. And you can also use that to activate it's like a parking feature. So that way, like if there's a motion sensor, someone walks by or whatever, it will trigger it to record. And so you have to have the hardwire in order to do that. But so far, just working through physically use of the device, it seems to be working well. You can see in the video, I have the rear camera, and then I also have the front. So I have two channels, they call them two channels going at once. And what happens is I initially, so when I initially use this, you're supposed to have an SD card, and I just happen to have one at home that basically didn't have anything on it. So I formatted that, and I was using that. In the meantime, so I ordered the camera, but I forgot to order an SD card. So I went back and ordered one through the same company because they call it industrial grade. Maybe that's just something they use to get you to purchase it. I don't know, but it could be. I was thinking, just go ahead and pay the extra, little bit of money, and not try to be cheap, because you never know what happens. This is actually up here on my windshield, and it is exposed to a lot of sunlight. So if this is supposedly an industrial grade SD card, maybe it can withstand, being exposed to sun like that. So the SD card came in, and I, swapped those out. So I did test a couple of times where I saved video. So what happens is it'll record, and then when it gets to the end, it basically will start over and overwrite what was previously on there, and just basically just keep cycling through that indefinitely. But if you lock a video, it won't overwrite that section that you indicate that you wanted to keep. So those won't be overwritten. So I did that twice just to test it out, but I haven't actually taken the card out to view what's on the disc. I haven't seen yet what the quality of the video is like, just for myself. I know that video that was on Twitter, crystal clear. But I wanted to see, like, how far on the periphery will it get, because sometimes I have noticed, cars coming up from the sides that could potentially be a problem, and I just wonder if that is being captured by the dash cam. So so far it seems to be working. Again, I want to come back again and see what the results are. Maybe I'll do another post, but I do feel a little bit confident, because I'm like, okay, if somebody should get out here and act silly, I can have that recording. I did talk with my insurance provider, and unfortunately, they don't offer any sort of discount if you have a dash cam. I thought maybe that would be helpful, to show that you are recording and help them should something happen with their investigations. But there you have it. So that is my short review of this dash cam, and hopefully before I upload this, I will be able to check out the footage that I have collected so far on the dash cam, so that we can see exactly how it turns out and if it's worthwhile. So this was like $203, $203 and some change. So hopefully it will be clear, and it will be something that's extremely useful. All right, I will talk to you guys later. All right, so I was able to grab a couple recordings from the dash camera front and a rear. I went ahead and pulled this one because this guy jumped right in front of me. So I said, hey, let me go ahead and record this situation as an example. So on your recording, it'll have like your coordinates and your speed and all that. But hey, you guys don't need to know all that business. So I put that. That's in the lower left corner, and then it has like the date and the time and stuff like that. So it looks pretty clear to me. It's a lot better than not having anything. So the periphery, I really can't see too much from the side view, but definitely gets the front view very well. So I am satisfied with that. What I forgot to mention in the previous recording was that it doesn't necessarily record over. I think the problem was I was having a lot of locked videos, and so it wasn't recording over that. So I had to reformat, like manually reformat the disc a couple of times. You can also connect it to your cell phone via Wi-Fi, but I would say just use it, do whatever you need to do, and then turn it off, because you can't, or at least on my phone, you can't do anything else when it's on Wi-Fi to your camera. So I can go in and download using the app on my phone instead of taking the SD card out of the device. So that is definitely a convenience. So I was able to do that. Now on this, my line for the rear defrost is like in the middle of the field. So I might either leave it or try to reposition it so that it isn't there anymore. But the rear view is also pretty nice in my opinion. So there you have it.